How you doing, guys? And welcome back. Welcome back to a different show today. We're gonna call it the 360 show. Okay, I know the video looks a little bit weird, but it's a good thing about that because now you get to choose whatever you want to look at on the video. You can move it to the right, to the left, up, down, sideways, however you want. But this only works on your phone or your computer, because if you're watching this on TV, it doesn't really work. So if you are, go ahead and jump on your phone or your computer and go ahead and let's do the 360 experience. Now, this has taken me a little bit over a week to kind of play with this program because it's a complete different program that I normally use. So I can't really get the full edit effect, but I'm willing to try. And I did something similar like this about 3 to 4 years ago on a boat show video. And a lot of people like this, so I wanted to do something again, but this time we're doing it at the sandbar. So what I did was I took my latest 3D60 video and put it together and let you guys play with it and let me know what you guys think about it. Alright guys, so what do you think about this 360 video experience? Do you guys like it? Do you guys hate it? You don't really care about it? Well, let me know in the comments. And if you do guys, if enough people like it, I'll go ahead and do more videos separate to my regular videos in the future. Because I think they're pretty cool. You can actually, you interact with the video and move it around. I think it's an awesome thing. But let me know in the comments. And 360 or not, always remember to have fun in the sun or in the nighttime. See you guys next time out in the water.